Imagine having your own digital bundle ready to sell in just 24 hours and generating over $3,000 a month without a massive audience or complicated setup. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Well, what the heck is a digital bundle anyway, and why is it so popular? A digital bundle is a collection of digital products packaged together to offer an incredible value to your customers. These products could include things like step-by-step guides, interactive templates, online workshops, mini courses, or memberships. For example, let's say you're a fitness coach. You could bundle a meal plan, a 7-day workout guide, and an on-demand Q&A session into your irresistible package. Digital bundles are popular because they solve multiple problems for your customers all on one go, while letting you showcase your expertise. Plus, bundling adds perceived value, making it easier to sell at a higher price point. Let's talk about how you can profit from a digital bundle. You don't have to sell it for dirt cheap like some holiday flash sale, though that is an option if you want to attract a large number of buyers quickly. What really will boost your revenue is implementing strategies like order bumps and upsells. And here's how it works. Number 1, an order bump works like this. When customers are checking out, you can offer them an additional product, like a 5-day workshop replay for an extra $25. And number 2, an upsell offer after they purchase. Then they'll be redirected to a special one-time offer, such as a mini coaching package for, say, $39. This way, instead of earning $12 on a bundle, you might make $50 or more per customer. And it doesn't stop there. If your bundle includes access to a membership or subscription trial, it creates recurring monthly revenue, even if you initially sold it for a low price. You can create your bundle in as little as 24 hours using AI. If you don't have any digital products, that's totally fine. AI tools can help you create products faster than ever before, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's walk through this. Number 1, you will need to brainstorm your product's ideas. If you're unsure about your topic, open the free ChatGPT and describe your skills, expertise, and what problems you can solve for others. Ask something like, what digital products could I create based on these strengths? And AI will give you tons of ideas to kickstart that process. And number 2, you will then create your product. Use AI to outline or even draft your products. For example, if you're making a guide, ask ChatGPT to help create it. Ask ChatGPT to write a detailed outline or even different sections. If you're designing a template, brainstorm prompts or even layout in Canva. If you're filming videos, use AI to generate your scripts. You can tweak and even personalize. And number 3, it's time to polish and package your products. Once your content is ready, format it using tools like the free version of Canva for ebooks or presentation slides. Use Zoom or Loom to record your videos if you're including that in your bundle. Now let's talk about selling your digital bundle online. And this is the fun part. Here's a few steps to maximize your process. Number 1, build your own platform. And what I mean by that is to avoid relying on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. These platforms may seem convenient, but they're overcrowded. They're expensive and they will fee you to death. And you also may find it's tough to stand out in that crowd. Instead, sell directly to your audience with your own website or landing page while you continually build your audience. For example, you could use an all-in-one platform like GHL, which is what I use, And GHL handles everything from email marketing to sales pages and digital product delivery. Number 2, you're then going to want to move followers to email subscribers. Social media is great for visibility, but your email list is where your magic happens. Selling through email marketing is proven to be at least 40 times more effective than social media alone. Start by offering a freebie related to your bundle, like a checklist or a mini tutorial to encourage signups. Number 3, you will need to use automated email sequences. For instance, if you're running a weekend sale, it may look like this. Day 1, send an email announcing the offer. Day 2, share a page or a short clip from a video. Day 3, send a last chance reminder. With tools like GHL, you can schedule these in advance, so you're making sales while you sleep. So why does this work? When you build your own audience, create products that genuinely help people, and sell through your own platform, you stand out. People are going to connect with your personality and your expertise. They're not just buying your product, they're buying from you. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Creating and selling digital bundles is about consistency. You'll grow and you'll keep refining your offers and you'll reach more and more people. Let's get you through the next steps. You already have what it takes to get started. Now it's time to take action. Think about the knowledge that you have that could help other people and turn it into your first digital bundle. Let me know in the comments what's something that you took away from this video that you're excited to try. Taking that first small step is how you will build momentum. And if you're ready to go deeper but need a few more ideas, check out my free guide, 25 Digital Product Ideas, linked in the description below. Please subscribe and like. See you soon in the next video.